is Dr. Anjali from Best AC Dental Clinic and Implant Center. Today we have Mr. Kenneth Hiran with us. So he has got full mouth implants. So we have placed almost 10 implants in his upper jaw and 8 implants in his lower jaw. And he has come for his permanent bridge replacement. He will just get his feedback about the treatment.
Thanks, Dr. Anjali. My first contact with Best Laser Dental was in February 2016. I came from Australia as a 70-year-old plus male to have a dental implant check and installation. At that stage, I was particularly impressed with the professionalism of the people here, and I can only say that we decided to extend the work from one denture to two, and those dentures were installed within 2 weeks of my arrival at that stage. It was supposed to be a replacement of some of those dentures after 2 or 3 years, but that didn't take place. A combination of personal circumstances and then COVID meant that there were 6 years between the initial consultation and the follow-up one that I just had. In all of that 6-year period, I have had absolutely no trouble with the dentures that were installed on the original visit. So I did have a crack in the bottom denture, but that was my fault, something I ate that I shouldn't, or something I put a bit of force on I shouldn't have done. But it was also a testament that even though there was a crack in the denture itself did not move. So I had no uncomfortable position with it. The actual thing held up until we got a chance post-COVID to come and get the replacement dentures installed. I've now been here for about 2 weeks, and the installation is fairly challenging. There's obviously a high degree of technical work involved to make sure that not only that the denture just basically fits, but it also has good aesthetic qualities. It also has to be comfortable, so that at the end of the day you can leave and feel as though the whole job has been very well done, and not just well done in a professional sense, but done in a sense that also involves a lot of care and attention on the part of the staff to make sure that you walk out of here, a happy client and a person that's likely to come back again. I can only sort of reiterate my comment I made 6 years ago, that I would be very happy to recommend Best Laser Dental to anybody that wants dental treatment. And that's just not implants, that's other dental work as well, but they are particularly skilled in installing implants and the associated dentures. And for some people who have got to a particular problem, they should look at them as a really good option to adopt. They should also look at it because, particularly for an overseas person like myself, it's a relatively cheap option, and therefore it's good value for you.
Thank you so much. So he initially came 5 years back for his dental treatment, and he had got all his weak teeth removed, and we had placed almost 10 implants in the upper jaw and 8 implants in the lower jaw. And within 5 days, we gave him provisional teeth, which is a temporary teeth for the healing of the implants. So we asked him to wait for a period of 1 year with the provisional teeth. It's fixed, it cannot be removed, and he can start chewing immediately from the day 5 onwards. His chewing was good. How was he chewing with your provisional teeth?
Yeah, good. Yeah, no trouble. I mean, that's what I say. That's fairly typical of what it is. It works. It might not be the end result, but it works, and you can get by.
Yeah, your provisional teeth looks very natural. You can smile beautifully, and chewing also will be good, and you'll get more of confidence. And after a period of 1 year, he has to come for his permanent teeth, but it's almost 5-6 years now, and because of COVID, he was not able to come for the past 2 years. And now he is with us, and he got his permanent ceramic teeth also done. He has got a very beautiful smile with the ceramic teeth also. Come on, smile. Yeah. So this is his ceramic teeth, and yes, it's over. He's leaving now, but still we'll always be in touch through email. Yes. A friendly conversation always lasts forever.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Angeli, and all the staff here. You're very kind.
Our team will miss you really. Thank you. Thank you.